In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Samsung Wallet to Google Wallet. First, let's start by opening the settings on your Samsung device. You can find the Settings app, which usually looks like a gear icon, either on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping on it will lead you to a variety of options that control the features of your phone. This is where you can adjust everything from display settings to network options. Knowing how to navigate the settings is fundamental, as it gives you control over your device's functionality. Once you have the settings open, you are ready for the next step. Next, tap on Connections. This section is where you will find all your wireless and network-related settings. You will see options for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other connectivity features. It's crucial to understand this part of your device because it helps manage how your phone connects to the world around you. After tapping Connections, your screen will display several options related to connectivity, making it easy to find what you need. This step will set you on the right path toward changing your default payment method. Now tap on NFC and contactless payments. NFC stands for Near Field Communication, a technology that allows your device to communicate with payment terminals without physical contact. This feature is essential for using Google Wallet effectively. By selecting NFC and contactless payments, you will be able to manage how your device handles transactions. You'll see options regarding the NFC feature and contactless payment settings. This is an important step because it enables you to make payments effortlessly with just a tap. After that, turn NFC on. You will see a toggle switch to enable it. Slide the switch to the right until it is highlighted, which indicates that NFC is active. This action is crucial as it allows your device to communicate with payment terminals. Once NFC is activated, you will be one step closer to setting Google Wallet as your default payment app. Confirm that the toggle is properly switched on, as this ensures you can make contactless payments. Next, tap on Contactless Payments. This option allows you to select which app you want to use for your transactions. You will see a list of available payment apps, including Samsung Wallet and Google Wallet. Choosing the right app is essential as it determines how you will pay for your purchases. It's straightforward, and you will see the icons of the apps listed for easy identification. This makes it clear and simple to make your selection. Now select Google Wallet as the default payment app. You will need to tap on Google Wallet to make it your preferred choice for contactless payments. Once selected, your device will register Google Wallet for all future transactions. This step is important because it ensures that your payments will be processed through Google Wallet instead of Samsung Wallet. You should see a confirmation that Google Wallet is set as your default, providing peace of mind. If you want Google Wallet instead of the Samsung Wallet swipe-up shortcut, it's important to note that you cannot replace the Samsung Wallet swipe-up gesture with Google Wallet. Samsung only allows you to enable or disable the swipe-up shortcut. This means you will still use the same swipe-up action, but your default payment option will be Google Wallet. While this may seem limiting, understanding how this feature works will help you navigate your options better. With these steps completed, you have successfully changed the default payment app from Samsung Wallet to Google Wallet. This should make your transactions smoother and more convenient. Remember, having the right app set as your default can save you time and streamline your payment process. Thank you for following along and enjoy using your Google Wallet.